Welcome to the dawn of a revolution in the thermal systems industry. Centra International Technologies, through its pioneering product Flexpress, invites you to join an endeavour that not only upgrades technology, but also opens new horizons for sustainable growth and profitability.
Centra International Technologies isn't just a company that invests in products. It's a pioneering organization on a mission to revolutionize the energy industry and CO2 management. With a clear vision in mind, it aims to turn technological advancements into a powerful catalyst for change, improving processes, boosting efficiency, and creating new opportunities for sustainable growth. Ultimately, it's driving the shift toward the green transition and the circular economy.
Leveraging cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain, and big data analytics, Centra International Technologies makes the digital transition not just achievable, but transformative. Through this strategy, it inspires and empowers its partners, paving the way for a sustainable and dynamically evolving future.
No stress with Flexpress, time to unwind. With every parcel sent, feel peace of mind. No dragging feet or wasted breath, just easy living, no shapes of death. Through crowded streets and silent nights, Flexpress zooms by like electric lights. No worries here, we'll make it fast. Enjoy the ride, let go at last. No stress, Flexpress, you know it's true. We bring the world right to your view. No lies, no waste, just press and go. With Flexpress, life is in the flow.
Flexpress marks the company's first major milestone on its innovative journey, representing a groundbreaking solution that replaces traditional expansion vessels and ushers in a new era in thermal expansion management. As a pioneering achievement, Flexpress embodies the company's vision for a more efficient, sustainable, and innovative future.
The Flexpress technology can be applied across multiple industrial sectors as it offers solutions related to energy efficiency, thermal management, and efficient component manufacturing. Key industries that can leverage Flexpress include automotive, electrification, aerospace, aeronautics, shipbuilding, marine applications, and chemical and pharmaceutical industries. The flexibility and efficiency of Flexpress make it a highly promising technology for cutting-edge industries where thermal management, material durability, and energy efficiency are critical factors.
Flexpress TM is not just a new product, it's a technological revolution. With its ability to operate maintenance-free, self-regulate, and last significantly longer than traditional solutions, Flexpress TM delivers superior value to the market. The product's advantages are undeniable: maintenance-free operation, self-regulating performance, environmental compliance.
No back alley deals or risks at play. We're swift, we're smooth, we pave the way. From dawn till dusk, our promise stays. Flexpress means easy, sunny days. When speed is key and time is tight, we'll get it there right day or night. No stress, we're strong, no